Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix can't join Roblox games on mobile. Alright, let's begin. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android device. If games are not loading or you're unable to join, here's what to do. First, tap the More button at the bottom right corner, then scroll down and tap Settings. Now tap Account Info. There are two things you must check here. First, make sure your email address is verified. Tap Verify, then check your inbox and approve the verification email. Second, tap Verify My Age. Go through the steps to confirm your birth date. Many games require your account to be verified as over 13 years old to play. If you've done both and still can't join games, go to your phone's settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage if you're on iOS. Scroll down to find Roblox. Tap on Roblox, then choose Offload App. Once it's offloaded, reinstall it. This process clears all cache and temporary files and forces the app to update to the latest version. After reinstalling, open the app again. You should now be able to join any game without issue. So that's basically how you can fix can't join Roblox games on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.